Hi, in this video we want to talk about some special graphs of logarithm functions, and we understand that how to draw them. Let's start with y equal ln x squared. We know how to draw ln x. Yes, ln x was this. If you see my previous videos, you can see ln x is this, and we know that ln x squared is even function, so it is even. Easily I should reflect it to y-axis, so I can draw it now. If it is ln x, it's better to pass from 1. If it is ln x, now I can reflect it on y-axis and it passes from 1. Here is 1. So this is the graph of y equal ln x squared. Now the second graph, y equal ln x squared plus 2. In ln we have only vertical asymptote. We don't have any horizontal asymptote, so you cannot say y equal 2 is a horizontal asymptote. So easily we can say I have y equal ln x squared, and I know how to draw it, but only y of some points should plus 2. Let's show it by points x and y. I know the shape should be like this because it is ln x squared. Now I want to find the more accurate shape. Okay, try to put point for x. We start always with 1. We can, because ln x is positive. Ln x should be bigger than 0. It's better to use 1. Now try if x is 1, y is 2. If x is 2, y is 3.38. If y is 3, x is 3, y is 4.19. Now let's find this point, 1 and 2. So 1 and 2, this is the first point. The second point is 2 and 3.38. So 2 and this is 3.38 should be here. So this is the next point. 3 and 4.19. 4.19 is here, and 3 is this line. This is 2. This is 3. So easily I can draw it because it is even. Should reflect to y-axis. It is the graph of ln x squared plus 2. Now I have the graph, another graph. It is y equal ln x cubed. Okay, let's give some points. I know how to draw ln x. Only need to draw ln x cube. Because of this, I need to draw ln x. It's like ln x. Now let's give some points. If x is 1, y is 0. If x is 2, y is 2.08. If x is 3, y is 3.3. Let's find this point. If x is 1, y is 0. This is the first point. If x is 2, y is 2.08. It's near to 2. So it is another point. x2, x1. And now x is 3, y is 3.3. This is another point. So I know ln x should be like this. I drew it easily. Y equal, next example, y equal ln x cubed plus 3. Okay, I know what is ln x cubed. It's like ln x. And the y should have 3. It doesn't have any horizontal asymptote in ln x. In ln we have, in logarithm we have only vertical asymptote. So let's give it some points to draw it more accurate. If x is 1, y is 3. If x is 2, y is 5.08. If x is 3, y is 6.3. Now let's draw the axis. Okay, let's find this point. 1 x 3 y. Okay, this is the first point. You see, instead of passing the 1 in ln x, we pass from 1 here, x1. Now we pass from less than 1. And 2 by 5 or 5.08, so it is 2. 1, 2, and 3 by 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.3. It should be like this. Okay, and because it is not even, I cannot reflect to y-axis, so easily I drew it. It is the graph. Let's go another example. I have y equal ln x cubed minus 3. Only we have shift. So let's find some points, x and y. X is 1, y is minus 3. If x is 2, y is minus 0.921. If x is 3, y is 0.3. Let's draw it. 1x minus 3y. This is the first point. Minus 3. x2, y is minus 0.92, okay? Minus 0.92. It happened when my x should be 2. And if x is 3, my y should be 0.3. It is another point. Now let's draw it. It is the shape. It doesn't have reflect because it is not even. Now let's another example. Y equal ln square root x. Okay, let's give some points. If x equal 1, y equals 0. If x equal 2, y equals 0.35. If x equal 3, y is 0.55. Because the y-axis, on y-axis we have small number, it's better to show it bigger. Suppose that here is 1 and on x here is 1, here is 2, and here is 3. Okay, now I have 1 and 0. X is 1, y is 0. X is 2, y is 0.35. It is this point, 0.35. If x is 3, y is 0.55. Now easily I can draw it. It is the graph. Let's go another example. Y equal ln square root x minus 2. X should be bigger than 2. Okay, let's give some point. If I put x here 2, here said x should be bigger than 2. If I put x 2, it is undefined. Undefined. Okay, and after that I try by point 3. It's better to always point on x-axis. Choose the point that with one difference, and 4. If I put 3, I will have y 0. If I get 4, I will have 0.35. Now let's draw what will happen. Here we have something new. What is this? In 2 it said undefined. What does it mean? It means that in x equal 2, I have a vertical asymptote, undefined. I have a vertical asymptote in x equal 2. By x equal 2, it doesn't mean. So here should have a vertical asymptote on x equal 2. Let's draw better. It's not good. On x equal 2, I have vertical asymptote. It means my graph should start from here. And look at the next point. If x is 3, y is 0. If x is 4, y is 0.35. Here. So easily I can draw it. Suppose that it passes from here. It's better. It is my graph. Now let's go to the next example. So I have y equal ln square root x minus 2 minus 2. Okay, if put x2, it will be vertical asymptote. It doesn't mean. So I know in x equal 2, it is my vertical asymptote. Now you can give some points, x and y. If x is 3, y is minus 2. If x is 4, y is minus 1.65. And now I can draw it easily. Now I can draw it easily. Only need to find this point. So I know in my vertical asymptote is in 2. Is x equal to. If x is 3, it will be minus 2. It is my first point. Next point, if x is 4, y is minus 1.65. It is next point. X is 4 and x is 3 here. Okay, I can draw it easily. Okay, today it finished the some graphs, and you can draw the graphs if you want. You can check all my videos, and after that you can draw some graphs easily. And in next video I try to show how to draw the some advanced exponential graphs. Thank you for watching this video and have a good time.